Hi, my name is Bill Beither, CEO and co-founder of MachineMetrics. MachineMetrics is a machine data platform that makes it easy to capture data from manufacturing equipment, which improves visibility, provides actionable analytics that automates workflows around the machine, and connects to other factory systems. The connected factory ecosystem is a live demonstration of how machine data can be used throughout the factory to improve efficiency and automate actions without the need for manual data entry. We have assembled an automated manufacturing line driven entirely by machine data. We're capturing data from a Fennec RoboDrill, UR robots, and IO-Link sensors to track production and machine conditions. Alarm and usage data is automatically streamed to MaintainX to create and manage maintenance work orders. Production data is sent to Fulcrum to manage work in process without the need for manual data entry. VKS is taking inspection data and sending to MachineMetrics and Fulcrum to track quality and OE metrics. All of this is done without any paper, digital work instructions, and automated data flow with cloud systems that connect, providing a paperless factory solution with no operator input required.